Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Die. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Dies Shorts. And we're going to do a cute little show and tell, and I'm going to show you the Sweet Peas Class in the Mail projects that were for June. And these are so cute, and I actually have 2 kits left. Now these are a little bit different because these projects are finished, so I'll explain that. I'll explain it later with what all it entails or whatever. But so if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So I'm so glad that you're here. And so like I said, today is just going to be a die shorts. I'm going to do another show and tell. Those are fun. And I just figured I would share my June class since I have 2 available. All right, so I'm going to spin the camera. So close your eyes just for a second while I get adjusted. So I have 2 of these available. So it will come with the Sweet Pea stamp set, and it also has the full pack of bling. So it also has the transparent adhesive back dots. So the only thing that's different with these 2 kits is that I have finished the projects. So these are the ones that I demonstrated for my videos, and I think it was the first time I did this last month, and they went quickly. So I only have the 2 while supplies last, and it's USA only. So this will be $50, and it includes everything that I'm going to show you here. And you'll also get the PDF with the video, private video link, so that you can see how these were made. All right. So again, you get the stamp set and the bling, and these are the cute cards. So here is a fun welcome Sweet Pea explosion cards. I love these, and this is awesome. I did show how to do this fold. I think it was it last week or this week on my YouTube channel, and it does fit in a regular envelope. All right, here's another card. So like I said, these ones will be finished. So fun. All right. And then we have, so there's 5 cards in total. Look at these cuties. Oh my gosh, I just love this little, like a honeymooning couple. There's the inside. And then you have your envelope. These are all standard cards except for that fun fold one. So here's a cute one here. This is just such a fun set. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun with it. And I'll have to play with it for my channel as well. And here's a cute little hello Grumpy. So adorable. So like I said, I have 2 of these available, ready to go now, USA only, and it's $50 for everything you see in there, and then that includes the priority postage with the tracking, that PDF I talked about with the little video, so you can watch how the cards are made. So if you want to make more on your own later, you can. I think that's all. Let me know. Supplies limited. I'm trying to make sure, because I only have 2. I will send you the PayPal link, and you'll have to pay right away so I can get these out. All right, so I do want to announce my class in the mail for July, and that is, let me get that out of the way there. This is going to be the Attention Shoppers Bundle. Now the registration's already open for this, and this will close July the 17th unless I sell out before then, because supplies are limited. And then these packets will go out July 29th, I believe. So you can read more about my blog. I also put it out in an email, or you can certainly email me directly if you have any questions. This class is $65 and includes the priority postage, the bundle, the supplies for the 5 projects. Nothing will be stamped. You'll be doing these on your own. Let's see, what am I forgetting? The video, the PDF. I'm always forgetting something. Supplies for the 5 projects. But anyways, but definitely check that out on my blog over here, because this is such a cute bundle. Oh my gosh, I just love when a stamp set has a coordinating die. For the P's, it didn't have a die, but they were super easy to cut out. But this is fun, right? Because you've got the cute little shopping cart with the wheels, and I think it pretty much cuts out everything in there. And not the greetings, but let me see. Yeah, so you've got the shopping cart and the wheels, the flower, the bottle, the plant, the cake, and the cute little shopping bag. So this is so fun. I cannot wait to play with this and design for you. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. I also want to do a shout out to my friend Julie Cadwell. And but oh my gosh, I'm so bad because I'm always forgetting her Sutcliffe, her married name. I just say Julie, but her channel is down below on my YouTube channel. It's featured. So if you aren't in the United States, because I can only do classes in the United States, and I can only sell in the United States. But she's in the UK, so if you are watching from the UK, holler at Julie if you need anything, because she does classes as well. And so I'm also featuring Marcy's channel, and she is my girlfriend from school, and she's in Canada. So that you should be able to shop in Canada and the UK, and then the United States for me. And hopefully, that helps if you are not watching from the United States. But so make sure you reach out to them if you need anything there. And then I think that's all I wanted to talk about. I think so. I want to thank you so much for spending some time with me this week. I really appreciate it. And I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. And Monday will be Monday. Ooh, that's the 1st of July, isn't it? Let me get to my calendar here. Yes, it will be the 1st of July. So, so there'll be new code. There'll be new incentive. I'm going back and forth on the goodies and guts if I'm going to start switching that up. So I have the weekend to kind of play around with that. If you have any questions, make sure you holler at me. Otherwise, I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. That will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.